In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage and organize your content using Squarespace. Whether you're new to the platform or looking for additional ways to optimize your blogging experience, this guide will help you navigate through some essential steps. To begin, the first step is to navigate over to the Squarespace website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Squarespace URL. Once you're on the home page, sign into your Squarespace account. This will lead you to your main dashboard, a central hub from which you can manage all your website's features and settings. Next, direct your attention to the sidebar of your dashboard where you'll find an option labeled Website. Click on this and it will expand to show more menu options. From this expanded menu, select Pages. This section is crucial as it houses all your site's current and draft pages, making it the perfect place to manage your existing content and create new pages. Once you're in the Pages section, locate your blog post. This can be done by either scrolling through the list of your pages or using the search function to quickly find the post you're looking for. Once you have identified the specific blog post you'd like to edit, click on it to bring up its settings. Now that you have your blog post selected, look for the Settings option, usually found adjacent to your blog post title. Clicking on Settings will open a new window where you can adjust a variety of options related to your blog post. Here, precision is key. Navigate to the tab labeled Options. This will present you with two fields, Tags and Categories. Tags and categories are powerful tools for organizing your blog content. They help in aligning your content thematically, making it more accessible and engaging for your readers. Tags are used to highlight specific topics mentioned in your post, whereas categories group your posts into broader themes. Use them thoughtfully to enhance the navigability and SEO of your site. In the Options tab, you can begin adding tags relevant to your post by typing them into the designated box. As you type, Squarespace might suggest existing tags, which can help maintain consistency across your blog. Similarly, under the Categories section, either select an existing category or create a new one that aligns with your blog post's theme. Once you're satisfied with your settings, it's time to save your changes. Simply click the Save button at the bottom of the settings window. You've now completed the vital steps of categorizing and tagging your blog post, contributing to a more organized and reader-friendly blog. And that's it, we're done. By following these steps, you have successfully improved the discoverability and organization of your blog content on Squarespace. Remember, a well-organized blog not only enhances user experience, but also contributes positively to search engine rankings. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing your content thrive.